Okay, so let's get started. So what I'm going to do is to start with pre-calculus because that's the basic. As you guys folks already see, it's a pre-calculus. So it's a calculus, but it's a before calculus. Okay, so let's start with the simple one, pre-calculus. Okay, let's get started. So first, we need to understand a core concept called function. So first, before we got idea of function, we need to understand what's the relationship. Okay, so I just give you a domain and a range. So if you don't know what domain is or range is, that's nothing. Let me show you. So first, I'm just give you a ordered pair. Okay, so let's just start with this one. So we got 1, 2, 2, 4, okay, and 3. You already can see the relationship here, because like start with 1, okay, 1, 2, 3, okay, 2, 4, and then should be 6. It's just finding the pattern here. So 4 should be 8, okay, then 5 will be 10. Okay, so if you just look at all this, and if you just get the first thing out, okay, so basically we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, this will be the domain. Okay, let's just place all this to here, so you folks can see this clearly. Okay, and then you may already know you got all the second part out. So there will be 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, let's just get all this and just use a different color. Okay. Hopefully we can connect this just here, okay? Okay, and this will be the range. Okay, so hope that clarifies things. Okay, and another concept that involved domain and range is the relation. So a relation is just a set of ordered pairs. It's like a pair, a pair, a pair, a pair, a pair. All the pairs are ordered. Okay? Why? Because it's following a certain order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the second, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay? They follow a certain order. And yeah, so they follow a certain order, and it's a pair, it's a pair, it's a pair, a pair, a pair. So this whole thing is called a relation. So you may ask, what's the relation here? We got a set as it is like a pair, 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 pair. It seems like if you got the first out and second one out, there seems to have some sort of a relationship. So what kind of a relationship, you may ask? Really simple. 1 multiply 2 equals 2. 2 multiply 2 equals to 4. And 3 multiply 2 equals to 6. And 4 multiply 2 equals to 8. And 5 multiply 2 equals to 10. So basically, there is a multiplication. Multiply 2, we got the second domain. Multiply 2, we got a certain range. Okay, so we can also just I just give you a lot of words here. Okay, each of the value in the domain will be an input value. Okay, input value, and sometimes we also call that independent variable. as the name suggests, is independent. So it's not dependent on other variable. And we often label that using a lowercase x, okay? And then each value at the range, also known as the input, and we got the output. Okay, we input something, go through a certain relation, and we got the output. So this will be the output value. Output value. Of course, we can also call that if it is independent, this is not independent. This value, this is a certain range, to be honest, is using the number in the domain, and we doing some of the relation calculation, and then we get this. So this value, all this value is calculated. So that will be this number depend on this number. Okay, so that will be dependent variable. So dependent variable. Okay, and normally we also use lowercase. All that's a lowercase. Okay, so what I'm going to do is you use a lowercase y to represent it. Okay, lowercase x and lowercase y.